Hi, Damien. What are you gonna put on your hair today?
This, this, this.
And what is this called?
Brush for hair.
No, that gel. What's that gel?
It's called Gorilla Monkey Burgers hair.
Okay, come on. Get your hair ready. Get your hair ready for the little girls.
Okay, this first.
Okay.
Now this. Now this. Now let's start again. Now let's do the burgers.
You gonna put Gorilla Booger on your hair?
Yeah.
Isn't that kind of nasty?
No. Come on. Come on. Just do this. Do this. You can do this.
Ew.
It's not. It's burgers. Go. Close it. Close it. Close. Now do this. And now this. Now wash your hands.
What about the back? You forgot to do the back.
It's okay. You can wash your back.
Let me see your hair now. Let me see. And you're done.
Yes.
So now you're ready for the girls?
Yes.
For cute girls?
Yes!
All right. Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.